Welcome back, everybody. So we have a Chevy Cobalt in here. Request was an oil change and a tune-up. We're going to switch them to the Valvoline Restore and Protect. Another great vehicle here, 180,000 mile Mazda. 180,000 Mazda Tribute in excellent condition. Valvoline Restore and Protect. Huh? Give it to you that way. So this is the second customer of the day that we switched their older vehicle. I mean, this is just the better way to go for any vehicle today, I'll tell you that right now. Mailman's truck's in bad shape. You ever wonder why the mail vehicles make so much noise? Because they're not fixing them. They're in bad shape. Trust me, people. Postal service vehicles are in bad shape. Just listen to them come down your street. So this car here, pull the air filter, bad. Throttle body's dirty. We're gonna put some spark plugs, some coil boots in it, a belt. We're gonna freshen this thing up. Excellent engine of the era here. It's a 2007, and just catching up on some maintenance. We're gonna do a simple fuel injection service on it. I just wanted to get some of this apart to show you what we're doing. So I'm gonna get the throttle body cleaned out, pull all the coils out. We're gonna replace all the coil boots and the spark plugs, and then we're gonna freshen up the oil with Restore and Protect. Thanks for watching.